Hopefully my boyfriend doesn't get mad.
If he gets mad, just tell him to go watch the video, make it for you. Thanks for joining me on this special Valentine's Day episode. This one will be similar to the one I posted on Friday. The link will be in the description so you can go check it out. But there's going to be a few surprises, so you got to stick around and watch this video. Today we're going to be making a cheesecake parfait. Let's go. We're going to start with the plain filling. It's not that much. That is 8 ounces. So we're going to add about 7 ounces of condensed milk to it. And then just mix that in. Nice and creamy. Then, so that's all done. We can set that aside. And just jump straight into the other one. So we'll just mash that a little bit. Add the rest of our condensed milk and just start mixing with it. Alright, once that kind of going in a little bit, what you want to do is go ahead, put in your Hershey's syrup. About 2 tablespoons will do. And you can adjust to how chocolatey you want the thing. So we're going to assemble the parfaits now. And what we can do is put in some Oreos in at the bottom. We start off with the dark one. So about a spoon in each. After that now, you want to add the white one to it. So another spoon. Alright, when that's done, go ahead, add some strawberry to it. After we have all our strawberries in, you can go ahead now, put in some of the golden Oreos right on the top of that. So after that step now, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna take the chocolate cheesecake one, and this one is gonna go right on top. So now we're gonna just take the remainder of the Oreos, the remainder of the chocolate Oreo, and we're gonna just garnish with it. So however you feel, but that garnish are mad. Watch it. So yeah, nothing to show your love more than you doing something really special. And this is something, you can do that comes right from the heart. Who cares if we make a mess? We just have to do it. See? Boom. Alright, so now we're going to put this in the fridge. Probably about 2 to 3 hours, and it'll be all done. As you know, Valentine should be about, that special someone, your partner. But I decided to switch it up a little bit. I'm just gonna spread the love to people I know. It doesn't necessarily have to be somebody, you're romantic with, but just somebody you know. So I'm gonna share those cheesecake parfaits. Let's go. Hey Sade, what's up?
Hey! And this is?
Cheesecake parfait. Try it.
I'm supposed to get it all in one go?
Probably.
Pretty good.
Yeah? But you don't like strawberries though.
But
Nah, take your time.
there's more chocolate flavor.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you say, do you think that's a good Valentine's Day treat?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
No,
Coming from someone who don't eat strawberries.
True. But it's good.
Perfect.
It's really good. It's good texture. Like it's not all soft. There's crunch.
Nice. Mission completed. So I just see one of my neighbors looking like she's about to leave. So I'm gonna stop her, give her one of these cheesecake parfaits. Hold up. So I know it's almost Valentine's Day. So here you go.
Oh, thank you, Javon.
So yeah,
What is it?
it's a cheesecake parfait
Oh,
with Oreos and stuff.
well, hopefully my boyfriend doesn't get mad.
If he gets mad, just tell him to go watch the video, make it for you.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, enjoy your day.